everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today's video is going to be awesome, so get ready. The human legs are the lower limbs of the body that support the body's weight and enable movement. They are made up of bones, muscles, ligaments, tendons, and nerves. Our legs, with their bones, muscles, and joints, have to work together to help us stand, walk, run, and jump while also supporting our weight and maintaining balance. Here's a breakdown of its key parts. The leg bones. Femur or thigh bone. The longest and strongest bone in the human body. It connects the hip to the knee. Tibia or shin bone. The larger of the two bones in the lower leg. It bears the majority of the body's weight. Fibula. The smaller bone in the lower leg, located on the outer side. It provides stability and helps with rotation of the foot. Patella or kneecap. A small, triangular bone that protects the front of the knee joint. Now, we'll talk about the leg joints. Hip joint. A ball and socket joint that allows for a wide range of motion, including flexion, extension, rotation, and abduction. Knee joint. A hinge joint that allows for flexion and extension of the leg. Ankle joint. Allows for movements such as plantar flexion, pointing the toes downwards, dorsiflexion, pointing the toes upwards, and inversion or eversion. This is the turning of the foot inwards or outwards. Then, we'll go to the leg muscles. Quadriceps. A group of 4 muscles on the front of the thigh that extend the knee. Hamstrings. A group of 3 muscles on the back of the thigh that flex the knee. Calf muscles, the muscles in the back of the lower leg, primarily the gastrocnemius and soleus, which are crucial for walking, running, and jumping. These are the major functions of our legs. Support. The legs provide the primary support for the entire body, allowing us to stand upright. Locomotion. The legs enable us to walk, run, jump, and perform other forms of movement. Balance. The legs play a crucial role in maintaining balance and stability. The human leg is a marvel of biomechanics, allowing us to navigate the world and engage in a wide range of activities. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you next time.